Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I like to share about my LinkedIn journey. So, I will be sharing how I started LinkedIn and how I used it effectively and what LinkedIn taught me. I started using LinkedIn before joining my college in 2023. So, I got to know about LinkedIn through a YouTube channel, which where I was learning coding. So most oftenly, when you learn about technical stuffs, I think it's obvious to hear about LinkedIn. So that's how I heard about LinkedIn. I created an account, but doesn't went well because I don't know how to use LinkedIn. Only through multiple webinars and attending as much sessions, so all those technical sessions and webinars made me know that how LinkedIn can play a crucial role in our tech career. So both there are many ways. So I to learn it made me realize that how effective or how powerful LinkedIn was. Now learning the right way. Yes. I started following professionals who had really good LinkedIn profiles. So I observed the way of pattern they used to follow. Like I took multiple profiles and found that all had a same pattern. So I observed that and I found the way that they post contents, and I followed the same thing. And also the way they profile is like it's like you don't want to go and text that person who they are. Everything is crystal clear from their profile itself, and I found that this is the pattern, and I just replicated it in my own ways, with my own taglines. So that's how I made my LinkedIn profile, and also the way I post contents in a way that stands out. Now, learning and networking. LinkedIn is not just a platform for landing your dream internships or dream jobs. Yeah, it's a great place to land it, but there is something else or something more. If you want to use it effectively, it's a great place to learn from professionals directly. So there are developers and founders, they are directly post contents, uh, which is industry based and also relevant with the real world. So it helps you a lot from our learning. So I used all those resources personally to grow and learn. So that's it. And also, if I want to learn a new skill, I always used to ask to developers directly, um, that I want to learn this skill, so can you please be a mentor and guide me through what all things should I do, and can you please suggest some beginner based projects or something. So I used to do like this. I used to approach developers directly. So LinkedIn was a great platform where you can connect with professionals directly, and also like it's a great platform to connect with founders also. I used to connect with various founders from various fields in technical industry itself. So it's a great platform for networking. So more than landing jobs, use it wisely for all these things. So because networking and learning always makes you going. So it's not about just landing internships or jobs. You can use it like this. So I have used all these things, and yeah, it's great. Making the most of LinkedIn. In my case, I used LinkedIn more effectively because I was posting content regularly, and also I used it as a documenting platform where, like, LinkedIn is best for people who don't want to show off their face or expose themselves. You can just expose yourself by who you are through text and the work you do. So I used to post uh, like every projects and all those things just by the writings, and also a picture of the project. So I used to do like that at first. Then I slowly started exposing myself, what I do, and I started recording, and yes, things like that often does. So this is how I improve myself. So I can say like I used it completely. So that's it. And what I understood is LinkedIn is not just a resume, it can actually speaks like who you are. So when you are up to a recruiter or an interviewer, it often speaks like a person or who you are to the interviewer. So like even if you miss out something, or even if you forget to do something, or yeah, it gives you a plus point to make your resume stand out, and also make make the interviewer understand who you are and how your profile looks. So all these are the plus point. And yeah, so LinkedIn is like a documenting platform and a networking platform rolled into one. So this is what I felt. Talking about smart messaging is nothing but, I have told you, I will approach to developers and ask them their guidance, right? So this is it doesn't work every time when you approach just one or two person. So like LinkedIn is not like a WhatsApp or social medias that people often use. So it depends upon people. So what I does is I will text to more than 10 people with the same roles. So if I want to learn Python, I will be taking a 5 to 10 Python developers, professionals, and what I does is I text them the same message to everyone. So there is a high chance to get more responses. Now the break. Yes, you heard it right. So I was in a break in 2025 because of some confusions, and I need some time in myself that I need to figure out things. So 2 years it went well. I was using LinkedIn effectively, but in 2025 I found myself in a very confused and tough path where I need some time in myself to figure out things. So I took that time, and I really feel like I needed that space now. So it went well, but assure that I need to come back, or I need to uh, start posting contents regularly. So I will be coming back soon or using LinkedIn soon, but now I need some break, so I'm figuring out things. Yes. But anyway, here is what I want to leave you with. So LinkedIn is not just a platform where you can land your internships or your dream jobs, but it's a platform for you to learn, grow, inspire, and document your entire journey. So use it wisely. It has a huge potential. So okay, when you post, you're not just building your profile, you are inspiring many people out there who don't know how to start with. So this is what I want to share. And if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comments. And if you're new to LinkedIn and have some questions regarding this, please let me know in the comments itself. So bye bye. See you in the next video.